Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys if you have a BMW. We will explain why it costs so much to replace your timing chain. Also guys, we'll share information if you have certain BMW engines, how we can probably save you $5,000 to $10,000. Some of you think timing chain shouldn't be replaced. Wrong guys, and we're going to prove you that today. Now, before we start, let me tell you, if you need any parts, tools for your BMW, anything guys that we use in our videos, we usually share the link in the description of the video below and you can see where you can get it from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Another thing, every single car we get at the shop, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Specifically on this generation BMW, we'll have about 500 videos guys. Why we do all that? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now let me show you what we have and what we'll be working on. So this is guys specifically BMW 3 Series, but as you know, BMWs, they like to reuse their engines. For instance, that engine has been used in 1 Series, 2 Series BMW, 3, 4, 5 Series, X1, X3, and you can even find it in X4 BMW. All that being said guys, you can see we're right here to where we removed the old timing chain components. We have everything new here ready to go, but at only 71,000 miles that timing chain guide failed. Some engines are prone to earlier timing chain failure guys. Okay, and we have a video that explains which engines have that problem. I'll share the link in the description of the video below. Also I'll share the long completed timing chain replacement video and you will see how long it is guys. It's very complicated, but you can do it step by step if you have any of the engines that we install timing chains on. But why it's so expensive? First guys, BMWs, their bulk is one piece. On most cars, that's the timing chain cover here. You can remove it and you can work on it. BMW's bulks most of the times are one piece. So you will need to remove the oil pan. Okay, you will need to remove the oil pan to replace the timing chain. You will need a special tool where I have that chain there that's for TDC to find the top dead center. Then you need a special tool that we have to get the to hold the flywheel so you can get the crankshaft bolt loose. After that guys, you need to remove everything on the side. You need to remove the engine mounts most of the times to reach things. Also, if you have an all-wheel drive system, you will need to remove your differentials. You can see CV axles, everything needs to come out. And lastly, you're going to need more special tools, camshaft holder tools. So all that guys, okay, first is the tools, second the time, third guys, it's a complicated process. And if you screw it up, okay, if you're a shop or something, you have to pay for it. So there is always risk, even though if you're really good at it, sometimes mistakes happen. So replacing the timing chain is a time-consuming thing guys, but it's doable. For instance, this is we have replaced numerous chains. I told you this one has 71,000 miles. It failed, but check this one out. Okay, it exploded at 87,000 miles. That's the on that engine guys, the N20 engine. So if you want to check which one are affected, again I'll put the link in the description of the video below, and how to replace timing chain on BMW as well. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.